I have a flashing light phenomena update to share with you guys. As power grids are going down around the world, we're seeing lights all around the world that are malfunctioning as well. Is this part of the bigger picture of things that are going on around the earth? This video here was sent in by Heather out of Louisville, Kentucky, dated April 24th of 2025. We've been following this since November of 2024, and it's not slowing down any. If anything, it's gaining momentum. Over here in London on the 22nd, Chris happened to notice the lights on this building malfunctioning, and they don't normally do that, he said. They normally just stay on. Going from London back to Cleveland. Cleveland's been a hot spot. Coop, 4/23 of 2025. More flashing lights out of Cleveland. I probably received somewhere in the neighborhood of 20 videos out of Cleveland alone of these mysterious, malfunctioning, flashing, flickering, purple lights. I took this video myself the other night. We were driving home, and I happened to notice myself a section of purple lights off to my right as we were driving down the freeway. That was my first time seeing the purple lights. And then as we were driving, I couldn't help but notice an absence of lights. We were driving down the freeway that's normally always lit up by the tall lights in the middle of the freeway. It was pitch black out here. It would have been pitch black out here if it weren't for the cars. You can see the light poles right here. They're not lit up. And I pan to the right. You're going to be able to see the lights on the right-hand side of the road. These weren't blinking. They were completely off. And you can tell it's darker out here than it should be. It's normally all lit up. You can see the lights right there, completely off. I've never seen that before. I'm wondering if those lights were flickering, malfunctioning, and they went ahead and turned them off because there's no road construction out there, and that area is not that old. So the lights should have been on. Just highly unusual, that's all. Not necessarily anything nefarious, just highly unusual. Moving on to video number 5 of the mysterious flashing lights. Video footage on the left sent in by Consistent C of a purple light. The video over here on the right of a flashing light sent in by Patrick. Not sure of the location, as they did not indicate where they saw the mysterious purple and flashing lights. Moving on to example number 6. Video footage sent in by Mark L. from Elm, Texas, as he was sitting at an intersection. Couldn't help but notice the letters on the top of that building flickering on and off. And there was also a light pole over here that was also flickering on and off. And going from Elm, Texas to Jerusalem. First video out of Jerusalem sent in by Joseph C. from just a few hours ago. Notice the lights off in the distance here flickering. Over here to the right and to the left. I zoomed in on the left. Yes, the lights in Jerusalem, at least these lights right here, are flickering, malfunctioning, just like many other thousands of lights that we've seen all around the world.